If you've ever noticed a distinct odor of burning oil in your car, it's essential not to ignore it. While a variety of factors could be contributing to this unpleasant smell, understanding the possible causes and taking prompt action is crucial to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Possible causes. 1. Leaking oil. Check for oil leaks under your car. A leaking oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket, or a damaged oil filter could be the culprit. 2. Engine overheating. An overheating engine can cause oil to burn. Issues with the cooling system, such as a malfunctioning radiator or coolant leak, may be to blame. 3. Worn out seals and gaskets. Over time, seals and gaskets in the engine can wear out, leading to oil leakage and that distinct burning smell. 4. Oil spill during oil change. If you recently had an oil change, there might be excess oil on the engine that is burning off. Solution. 1. Inspect for leaks. Check your parking spot for any oil stains. If you find a leak, locate the source and address it promptly. Consult a mechanic if needed. 2. Monitor engine temperature. Keep an eye on your car's temperature gauge. If it consistently runs hot, have the cooling system checked for issues. 3. Regular maintenance. Ensure that your car receives regular maintenance, including oil changes and inspections. This can prevent issues like worn-out seals and gaskets. 4. Professional inspection. If the burning oil smell persists or if you're unsure about the cause, consult a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection. Your car is more than just a mode of transportation, it's an investment that requires proper care. If you've experienced the smell of burning oil, don't procrastinate. Take action today to identify and address the issue. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on car maintenance and troubleshooting. Share this information with your friends and family to help them keep their vehicles running smoothly too. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Let's ensure our cars stay in top-notch condition for years to come.